I've got some very important news to be discussing with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're going to want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, subscribe with the bell rung, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And what are you guys currently holding, and what do you want to hold more of, and why? Guys, with the inflation reading having just happened, putting fear in the marketplace, that's why we're seeing another dip occur on the charts, which is very good, allowing for us an entry point, the perfect entry point to get in. However, it's still nothing to fear, guys. Just as Warren Buffett says, when people get fearful, that's when you must get the most greedy. You want to be doing the opposite of what your emotions tell you to do. So when you want to sell out just because it's dipping, get greedy and fill your bags instead. With every healthy bull run, we have to have a cool down corrections phase, and just a little bit of one as we are on our next leg of the bull run is completely normal, and that's exactly what I like to see. We are about to break out of our level of resistance for Bitcoin, with a lot of the top altcoins to follow up along with it, because they are coupled up along with Bitcoin. And as we compare the Bitcoin charts with the 2018 Bitcoin charts, we see exactly where it broke out, which it is consistently doing every 3 years. Guys, we're about to do this again, and you don't want to miss it. Guys, when in doubt, zoom out, because you shouldn't be investing in any crypto projects unless you have full confidence that over time in the coming years they will only improve. And those are the ones that I talk about and go over on my Patreon and on my channel, because they've recovered time and time again, allowing for consistent growth and a stable income. Guys, on average, cryptos do double, triple, and quadruple every single year. With a hedge against inflation, people will soon be deciding to put their money into cryptos as a hedge against inflation when they realize that the US dollar is quite possibly the worst investment they could possibly make, as the inflation readings keep reminding us that things are costing more and more money. Therefore, decentralized finance is eventually, inevitably, what everything's going to move to. As far as the stock market goes, people are slowly seeing that the stock market is not giving them the returns that the crypto market does, not even close. So people are slowly moving their money from the stock market on over to cryptos. And once that does happen, once that does take place at a much faster rate, it may very well be too late to get in by then as well. During this leg of the bull run, we're likely to see Bitcoin go above $100,000, Dogecoin easily above 50 cents, and Ethereum over $5,000. With all-time highs to come, this is the time now to get in, to sign up for the Patreon while the prices are still low, so that you can rake in the profits and reach financial freedom finally, just as I've been enjoying for the last 10 plus years. Guys, a massive crypto article came out titled, Dogecoin Rally Expected Despite Russia and Ukraine Concerns. Doge targets return back to 25 cents. Dogecoin price action positioned perfectly for a sustained rally to 25 cents. The underperformance trend likely to end very soon. Short sellers are likely to get squeezed, having to rebuy back their position as bulls just to break even. And this will too fuel the upcoming rally. And guys, as we take a look at the Ethereum charts, which are closely coupled up with the top altcoins that do follow with it, we can see that we are consistently seeing higher highs and higher lows forming. Broke out of this trading sideways sort of thing, which like I called out, we were bound to do because of this reverse head and shoulders with the head and the shoulder on either side. Higher highs and higher lows are being reached because we keep having bullish flag and pennants forming on every single turn. Guys, you don't want to miss this bullish uptrend, as it will continue to do so until it breaks an all-time high. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when it's steep enough that I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth of $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.